In this video, I will show you how to pay your Best Buy bill online. So there are three methods to do this, and the one that's best for you kind of depends on your unique scenario. But the first method is to pay online via Citibank for if you have the Best Buy credit card. So to do this, go to the Citibank Best Buy payment portal, so you can see the link right here, and then just log into your account by clicking on pay your bill or sign on or sign in, something like that. So then enter your user ID and password. If you haven't registered, click on register for online access first. And then from there you will get the option to make a payment. So just select payments and then make a payment. Then choose payment amount, so the minimum, full balance or custom, the payment date, immediate or scheduled, the funding account, so link a bank account or debit card, and then confirm and submit. So just review your details and submit the payment. Then the second method is to pay via Best Buy's website. So you can visit their website, just go to bestbuy.com/credit card and also click pay bill. Then just log in and follow the prompts, so sign in with your Best Buy account and follow the steps to pay via your linked bank account. Now the third and final way to pay your Best Buy bill online is to pay via the phone, so automated or a live agent. Just call the Citibank Best Buy Pay by phone, so you can see the number right there. Now if that doesn't work, just search for the Citibank Best Buy Pay by phone number, and then if it's updated you will be able to find it. And then from there follow the automated prompts and have your card number and bank account info ready so that you can make the payment. So that's 3 ways to pay your Best Buy bill online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.